the Acurast core. So the first thing you do, you go to the website Acurast.com. You're gonna click on deploy, or just click on start providing. There, scroll down, you're gonna click on Acurast Hub. Into Hub. So you can either set up for deploy. So you can either set up with a Talisman or MetaMask. It's gonna prompt you to select the wallet that you want to use. I selected Talisman. So it says deploy to Decentralized. You're gonna go down to fund your account. This is the authentication to the faucet. I'm not a robot. Click get token. Now you've done that, you've successfully sent a CACU to your address. Then close this out, and then now you have one CACU. So next, this will take you to this screen here, and you're gonna click on add device. It's gonna ask you for the account, you approve it. This QR code is the one that you're gonna use for your phone. So your phone has to be in factory mode, factory reset. So I'll show you what it will look like. So this is what you do when you have it on this screen. No need to click on start, just tap on the screen 8 times. It's gonna go to the scanning, and you're gonna click on this QR code. You're gonna scan it, actually, not click on it. Click next. Click accept. Next. Allow. Accept. Accept. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, you have successfully set up your Acurast. And then you just leave it, and it will just run on its own. You will shut off the even when you shut off the phone and turn it back on, it will automatically load to Acurast and it will start processing. So congratulations, job well done. If you've gotten to this stage, installation, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this device here, which indicates that you successfully deployed the new phone for a while. The new phone, so it's just going to continuously mine on its own. Last seen was 4 minutes ago. So you're just going to see it, and it's just going to keep accumulating. Alright guys. Okay guys, like and subscribe. hit the like button, share. Have any questions, feel free to ask. Take care.